So you will take a look at how you can make the grid of photos, right? So they may appear something like canvas images, right? So create one sample pose and make sure you have enough images uploaded, right? So I will use all of them within our frame, right? So we'll have to first check elements and then we'll have to check for grid, right? So if we check the grid, you will notice within elements, if you search for grid, it should show you the grid section. Now you have plenty of grids that you can use for images, right? So I will pick the one that will take most of our pictures. So let's pick this one. Now these are only of 3 types, right? So we will just drag and drop our images. So the first one I want to drop into is the product, right? Then another was also product on the left side, finally the peanuts, right? So this looks more of the canvas type of images that would put your images in grid. Now these are only of 3. You can extend that for say 4 to 5, even more. If you check the grid, you have plenty of, look at these, like 5. Then here also you have like 4, then 4, 5, and so on, right? So depending on the type of images you have, you can make use of these grids and arrange your photos around it, right? So this is basically grid feature from the elements. You just search for grid in elements and you can find this one out. You drop them and then later from uploads you just put your images here. So that will create your typical canvas effect, or the effect that you get for variety of collage as well, right? So this is how you can add the grid of photos with Canva.